What's in the fucking box?
Persona 5 Collector's Edition, nigga, damn. Hey there, nerds and nerdettes, and welcome to my very first unboxing video. As you can see, I just got back from GameStop that was having an early release of Persona 5. And well, I pre-ordered myself the Super Fancy Deluxe Edition because I'm a faggot like that, so let's unbox this bad boy. Fuck you, plastic! Alright. Ooh. Slime cut. Oh, shit! Oh, damn, that is one sexy box. Alright, now let's take a look and see, what's in the box. Take a look inside. It's my dick in a box. Dick in a box. Oh shit, we got some little Morgana plushie. Isn't that cute? No one gives a fuck about him. Oh. A Persona 5 art book. The aesthetics. I'm gonna read that later. And of course, the game. Oh boy. Oh, and they had the decency to unwrap it for me. That's nice. That's really nice of them. Sounds of Rebellion. Personal soundtrack. Yeah. And here's what's be a bag. Let's crack it open. See what it looks like. Oh yeah. I'm gonna be getting mad pussy with this. That appears to be what's left in the box. Wait. There's one more thing in the box. Is this what I think it is? Huh.
A few moments later.
Cocaine!